Today I am unboxing the Fabfitfun Winter 2018 box. You can see, and the lid of the box is Fabfitfun Find Your Cozy. Now Fabfitfun always comes with this nice magazine, talks about the about different things. Everyone's talking about it. Jade rollers. Has a list of the items in here, and it'll tell you how much they are and what you could have chose. Different things in there. So it's neat. Very informative. I also received a Moroccan Grand blanket. It feels soft to the touch. Feels like it'd be a warm, light blanket to put on in a nice cool night. Not a very cold night, but a cool night. It'd be warm enough. I got the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for hair. Comes in this. This smells alright. I mean, it's kind of strong, but I still have yet to try it. Let's see if I like it. I also received this Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Those different colors. A lot of neutral colors and berries in that palette. You can close it. And I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard lots of rave about it. This is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Now I've actually received the texturizing spray in the Ipsy bags that I've gotten the last couple months. I've gotten 2 trial size and I really like them. So I'm excited to try this too. I also received Elevate essential oils in eucalyptus and sweet orange. And I'm excited to try, I don't know which one it is. One of these helps with headaches, and I deal with headaches a lot, so I'm excited to see if that helps me too. I also have this. I have tried this already. This is really good. I really like it. Makes my skin feel moisturized and soft. This is the AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask and Hydrate. And it doesn't smell too bad either. It smells pretty good. And then I have this Thrive by Thrive Cosmetics. This is the brush out. Anyways, it's an eye brightener. Can't really read, I need glasses. Go. You can see that. It's different. Never tried one of those before either. I decided to choose the mystery gift for my one selection because I'm annual. I get to select more than most people. More than the seasonal subscribers anyways. And my surprise mystery gift was this Kate Somerville Exfoliate. And I actually got this in the spring box of 2018, and I wasn't too impressed with it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. I might just hand this off to someone else. But that is all in my box.